School of Theology, Adamson University, for school year 2023-2024.
To my dear classmates, sa wakas, tapos na. But today, in general, we all have the same beautiful name. We are essential graduates. After all these years of hard work on meeting the deadline for our final papers, synthesis papers, thesis proposals, and thesis, we made it. We named ourselves graduates. After all of the long nights and the brain twisting reading that if you were for comprehensive exams, hoping and praying that we get easy questions, yes, we have finally acquired a unity. We are essential graduates.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the processional.
Studying philosophy was not an option for me. The thought of considering it as my lover program did not cross my mind at all. But when I entered the seminary, I was slapped by the reality that philosophy is a prerequisite for theological studies. From there onwards, I found myself reading some weird and absurd texts such as of Machiavelli, Hobbes, Kant, Camus, Schleiermacher, Heidegger, Ferdinand. Now, after years of intensive philosophical training, I am standing in front of you, exposed to a solid and coherent understanding of man, the world, and God.
True theology from the margins. What we basically mean by that is that we bring theology to the margins. At the same time, we bring the margins, the experiences of those in the margins, into our theology, into our philosophy.
Things can resolve conflicts, and as always, look for the positive side and hope in every bad situation. We're saying the side of Jesus, which is humanity, and the flow of blood and water, causing the death of Jesus. Our reflection on this, Jesus died on the cross to save us from our sins.
And every time that you are free, you're most welcome to come back. And especially those moments when we will have big affairs in the school, when we can celebrate together and again renew our bonds and friendship together so that we may be able to move forward in our own engagements, pastoral engagements with the people of God. To every one of you, especially the parents who have come all the way from the different regions, from San Carlos, from Calvario, from Bicol, and from the many sections of the NCR. We would like to welcome all of you to this meaningful